And a year after po nung naging unit servant sa Bacang dito, dumating po sa amin yung napakalaking trial na halos po nag-shake na po sa community namin. Yung unit servant namin na dati na naging couple coordinator na namin, akala niya po si Faith yun po. She died giving birth to her son. Dahil po sa nangyari, masyado po kaming na-shake eh. We were deeply troubled because of what happened. And parang di na namin alam kung anong gagawin namin sa community namin sa Ilisio. Pero sobrang galing na po talaga ni Lord dahil binigay niyo po sa amin yung message na just stand firm in your faith, brothers and sisters. Hindi ko kayo mapabayaan. This is my work, this is my job. Just believe me. And all you have to do is call. Yun po, I, together with the committed service team of Iloilo, we stood out of the affirmation na because we believe in God, I know may magagawa pa sa area namin. Kasi nung time na yun, masyadong down ang area namin. Parang hindi na po kami masyadong naka-household. Tapos, dahil siguro sobrang sakit na naramdaman namin, na dumating sa amin yung mga buhay namin. So yun po, together with the team, we conducted CLS. And nakadalawang CLS na po kami ngayon after what happened. And I am proud to say, brothers and sisters, na nag-bear po kami ng fruits. We have already, may mga bagong members po kami and pagkita po namin sa mga bagong members na commitment nila sa community. I am also proud to say na half of those members na nag-graduate sa NCS ay nandito ngayon sa WS. Parang sobrang galing talaga ni Lord. I am a witness of how faith can be turned into wonder if we only put our belief in our Lord. So brothers and sisters, my name is James, I'm from Iloilo, and I declare that faith can work wonders.